Hey y'all, it's the Costume Jeweler. Hope you're having a great day. While I was cleaning jewelry to post on eBay for sale, I came across this necklace. I bought it a few days ago. Thought I'd do a short video on it. I normally don't do just videos on certain pieces, but if they're unusual, I will. So when I was walking through the Sunshine Thrift Center in Tampa, I was looking around at the jewelry and saw this piece, knew it was unusual when I saw it. So I had the clerk let me get an up close of it. This is a multicolor crystal stone necklace. There are no stones missing. They're all intact, none loose or anything like that. The chain is like a you can see double chain, and there's actually detail on it. I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but there's detail carved into each chain. It's not sterling, although I might want to check it, but I don't think so. But anyway, when I looked at the back of this necklace, the pendant is not just any pendant, it's also a brooch. So you can see that right there. So this can be worn as a brooch. Take the chain out, and then you just clip it onto your clothing. So when I saw this, I did not know who this was right here. So the last name is Scaasi, S-C-A-A-S-I. So the designer was born in 1930, named Arnold Isaacs, but he actually reversed his last name to be pronounced and spelled Scaasi. He thought that sounded more like a designer versus Isaacs. Born in Canada, he has made gowns for most of the first ladies and celebrities, actresses, made designer jewelry, was prominent in the 1950s. So I'm not sure if this piece here is, 1950s or 60s. I found one on eBay after searching Poshmark and Etsy and eBay. The one on eBay is going for $195. I paid a whopping $3 for this necklace. So wanted just to share this with you and show it to you since I cleaned it up, and I'm about to post it on eBay for sale. Probably going to ask $199. I mean, you can always go down in price, but you can't go up. Designer pieces usually will bring that. A lot of his necklaces that he has online are running in the $200 to $400 range. So again, I'm really excited about this necklace here. Glad that I found it for $3 and wanted to share it with you guys on a short video. Hope you like it. Talk to you later.